Hey everyone, welcome back to Financial Futures, where we break down the latest financial news and empower you with the knowledge you need. Today, we're diving into the topic of monthly checks and their potential impact on Social Security benefits. I've got all the details and answers to your concerns right here in this video. Let's get right into it. As we navigate through these strange times, various monthly check programs are gaining popularity across the country. The federal level is also discussing the possibility. But the burning questions are, do you need to sacrifice your Social Security benefit for these monthly checks? Will they replace Social Security benefits entirely? Let's address these concerns. Firstly, if you've been following the channel, you're aware of the numerous monthly check programs happening locally. The good news is, these programs don't replace your Social Security benefits. In fact, you could potentially benefit from both simultaneously. Just like when you received stimulus checks a few years ago, your Social Security benefits continued, and you got an additional boost. While current programs won't replace Social Security, it's essential to note that some lawmakers are discussing the need for reforms. Social Security, a program that's been around for almost 90 years, might face challenges in the future. Lawmakers are considering new programs to possibly work alongside or replace Social Security, but any significant changes are likely a long way off, think 15-20 years or more. Another factor to consider is the rise of artificial intelligence, robotics, and automation. Experts project a significant shift in the job landscape, with many jobs being replaced by technology. This has spurred discussions about guaranteed basic income or ongoing monthly checks on a nationwide level. To address your concerns, no, your Social Security benefits won't be replaced as of now. Instead, you might have the opportunity to benefit from both Social Security and monthly check programs. Social Security is not disappearing anytime soon. Any significant changes, if they happen, are way down the road. So, no need to worry about your benefits being at risk. Let's jump into our next topic, especially for our SNAP EBT recipients. Some states are changing their stance on federal benefits, and it's crucial to stay informed. Let's dive into the latest news. Breaking news from Nebraska: a reversal in decision. The governor has announced that the state will now accept federal dollars to support low-income families through the summer EBT program. This move sets Nebraska apart from other Republican-led states that have chosen not to accept these federal funds. Just to recap, the summer EBT program provides up to $120 for the entire summer, offering $40 each month to support low-income children and families. Previously known as the Pandemic EBT program during the pandemic, it's now a permanent initiative. But the challenge lies in some states refusing federal funds for these benefits. Unfortunately, Nebraska's decision is unique. Many Republican governors, including my home state, Texas, have opted out of enrolling in the summer EBT program. Currently, 14 GOP-led states have turned down federal money meant to feed low-income children during the summer months. Now, let's talk about Louisiana. Governor Landry is under scrutiny for not participating in the summer EBT program. The Democratic caucus criticizes this decision, stating that thousands of children could go hungry. The governor's office responds, emphasizing that Louisiana already has robust social safety net programs, including SNAP, TNF, and more. Here's a glimmer of hope for Louisiana. House Bill 18, presented by Representative Jason Hughes, a Democrat, aims to make it mandatory for the state to accept funds for the summer EBT program. The bill argues that these are dollars Louisiana citizens have already paid to the federal government, emphasizing the pro-children, pro-family, and pro-business aspects. As the summer EBT program faces challenges in certain states, it's essential to stay updated. Louisiana might see changes through House Bill 18, and we'll be watching closely. What are your thoughts on states refusing federal funds for low-income families? Share your opinions in the comments below. If you found this update helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insights.